Hey guys, this is Reggie with A-Team Appliance, and our newest recommendation and our newest sponsor is Earth Breeze Sheets. Now, quick observation, one packet gives you 60 sheets, right? So, and here's Sebastian wants to get in. Say hi.
Hello.
So, one package gives you 60 sheets. 60 loads, not 60 sheets, 60 loads, right?
Wow, that's amazing.
Inside this little envelope, these sheets, there's Antonio, say hi.
Hello.
Hey. And so that is an equivalent to, this is what we've been using. These give you 20 loads.
Whoa, that's
60
amazing.
loads, 20 loads. 3 of these bottles. So that's, talk about a, it is amazing. Talk about a space saver. An envelope, 60 loads, 20 loads.
That's amazing.
Crazy. So Earth Breeze, click the link below from the appliance guy. It's well worth it. Don't have to worry about mold and gunk and stuff in your machine from liquid or powder detergents. Earth Breeze sheets. I got their fragrance-free kind. They have different kinds. Click the link below. Check out Earth Breeze sheets, and it's officially approved by A-Team Appliance.